Hello and welcome to Sisd TV News, where we deliver the latest news about the Socorro Independent School District. In our top story, the Socorro ISD Volunteer Sports Program turned up the fun with a special Splash Day celebration for volunteers and their families. Participants spent the day cooling off in the water, enjoying the summer sunshine, and sharing lunch together as a way to celebrate another successful year of service. During the event, coaches and volunteer teams were recognized for their hard work, dedication, and commitment to the program.
It's amazing. It's amazing just to be here with a bunch of the coaches who are now friends and family, right? We're all a big, happy family, starting from the top all the way down to the bottom.
Today is more of a recognition for coaches. So we do a lot for the kids. So even as volunteers, you know, sometimes there's a lot of parents out there that are just like watching their kids do it and telling them what to do, but coming out here and showing them how to do it and actually being a part of it, that is actually like the better and the more recognition for the coaches, you know. So we're coming out today, we're having a lot of time.
VSP is absolutely for each and every single kid that wants to come out and play. We do not have tryouts. Special needs are welcome. We promote parent engagement. Not only that, it transitions them to UIL sports when they become 7th graders. We have had kids that are participating at the UIL level that started with us when they were pre-Kers.
Student athletes at Dorado High School took the next step in their athletic and academic journeys as they signed their letters of intent to compete at the collegiate level. Surrounded by family, friends, and coaches, the students celebrated years of hard work and dedication that have earned them the opportunity to continue their sports careers in college.
I'm very excited for the opportunity because not only is it a blessing, but it's just an opportunity for me to keep showcasing my skills and just keep using the skills that God blessed me with.
Yeah, I just feel really excited. Like, it's just something that I've worked for my whole life. Since I was little, I've been wanting to play at the collegiate level. So it's definitely a step up to play at the next level because not many athletes do have this experience to sign, to be in front of family, and it's just an achievement that I will definitely never take for granted.
Socorro High School proudly honored its graduating seniors during a special military signing ceremony, recognizing those dedicated students who have formally committed to serving in the United States Armed Forces. The event brought together family members, close friends, and supportive school staff who gathered to celebrate the seniors' brave decision to pursue military careers immediately following graduation.
I'm excited, I'm also anxious. My entire family has been military, mainly Army, and going to a military institute it's an honor. It's like I'm walking in the steps of giants.
Students at Montwood High School earned a $2,000 Lead for Change grant for their Bake-A-Wish project. The initiative provides birthday cake boxes for students at Montwood Middle School who might otherwise go without a celebration.
They take a lot from this. I think number one, organization. Number two, pride in their projects. And I think most importantly is the importance of giving back to our community, how such simple acts of kindness can make a difference for someone in someone's life.
This check was really important for just like people in our community that can't really afford birthdays. We wanted to take away that financial burden from them and just to make sure that they're celebrated in who they are, because everyone deserves a chance to be celebrated on their special birthday.
It makes me feel really happy that this opportunity was given to us and that we were just able to take advantage of it and get the grant. And I don't know, I think it's unique, it's outside the box, and we actually use the box for something that you don't see often.
Team Sisd hosted gifted and talented enrichment camps for elementary students, bringing hands-on learning experiences. Students from 2nd through 5th grade participating at each camp engaged in activities designed to challenge critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills.
I think that it gives them a little bit more of use their brain a little bit more, not so much into the classroom where a teacher kind of guides them, okay, this is what we want. So it kind of lets them put what they feel out of, we give them the opportunity to kind of give them their knowledge of what they interpret.
It is so fun. We get all these cool gadgets and we get to do fun activities with other people in similar age groups, and it's fun that I get to enjoy it with other people.
Superintendent James P. Vasquez delivered the State of the District address outlining Team Sisd's current standing and strategic path forward. Reflecting on the district's progress over the past 2 years, he celebrated student achievements and recognized the dedicated community members driving the district forward. The address also included an update from TEA conservator Dr. Michael Hinojosa.
I knew the heart of Socorro, and then the fact that they were coachable. Some players that are great are not coachable, so they can't stay. But people who are coachable and learn how to get better, and luckily Mr. Kim and I had the right combination. I worked up here and he worked down there, and worked together, and we've touched just about every system. But I'm actually quite surprised that we made this much progress this quickly, but it's because of the talent that's in the district.
Over the past 2 years, it's been the most difficult period in our district's history, and we lost a lot of confidence from our community during that time. We lost a lot of trust during that time, but we're coming out of it. We're listening to our community more. We're engaging more. We're doing right by students again, and we're doing right by our taxpayers. So with the tax dollars, again, 2 balanced budgets in a row. Our scores on STAR and EOC continue to climb every year. We were the highest scoring district in the region last year. We anticipate we'll continue to be the highest scoring based on this year's assessments. So we're really excited about the future. I appreciate our employees and our community, everybody who's stuck with us, because we know it's been difficult. But we just truly appreciate their support over the years and the confidence they've placed in us.
Socorro ISD welcomed families from across the El Paso region to its 2nd annual Recruitment and Enrollment Expo at the Student Activities Complex 2. The event gave parents and students the opportunity to explore the district's academic programs, athletics, fine arts, extracurricular activities, and career and technical education pathways while learning about the many opportunities available throughout Team Sisd. Enrollment specialists were on hand to assist families with registering students for the 2026-2027 school year. The event also featured games, food trucks, student performances, and raffle prizes, creating a fun and welcoming atmosphere as families discovered what makes Socorro ISD a destination district for student success.
There's no better district, like since I was young, like the fact that it's like a community, like you make friends, like the teachers, like they become part of your family. So I love that so much. And the fact that my nephews could register and you guys had this opportunity for them, it was amazing. So we decided to come and enjoy you guys.
We were both in the Socorro ISD, and we were both in sports, and a lot of the teachers were really nice to us and helped us along the way, helped me along the way as well. So we just think it's a really good district, and we hope it's the same for our son.
That's our show for today. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the latest in the Socorro Independent School District. Make sure to follow us on X with the handle @Socorro ISD. Also be sure to friend us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Team Sisd, and visit our website. Thank you again, and see you next time.